Language learning made easy. Hello, lovely students, and welcome to English for Beginners. I have a very special lesson for you today. That's going to help you practice your speaking and listening skills in English through many different activities. Some of them might include new vocabulary for you. Don't worry, I'll provide a full list at the end of the video. Okay, let's practice together now. For class details.
Unit 22. After-school activities.
Will you play any sports this school year?
I want to play hockey, but I'm not sure if I will have enough time.
I'm on the school soccer team. I'm also going to take up swimming.
You're going to be on the soccer team and swim too?
Yeah.
That seems like a lot. You will be very busy. Do you think you will have any free time?
I will play soccer with my school team during the week. I will go swimming during the weekend.
When will you have time to do your homework? And when will you study?
I do my homework after school every day. I study every weekend. My mother won't let me play sports until I have done all my work.
Well, I hope you find enough time for both schoolwork and sports. Good luck!
Vocabulary. Sports. Hockey. Soccer team. Swim. Busy. Free time. Weekend. Study. Enough time. Thank you and goodbye.